Each of these teachings plays a crucial role in Kiyosaki's financial philosophy. By understanding and applying these lessons, you can transform your financial approach and work towards economic independence and lasting success. Number 1. Difference between assets and liabilities. The distinction between assets and liabilities is a fundamental pillar in the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. An asset is any resource that puts money in your pocket. It generates cash flow and increases your net worth over time. For example, rental properties, stock investments, and businesses are classic examples of assets. On the other hand, a liability is anything that takes money out of your pocket. This includes expenses like mortgages, car loans, and credit cards. Understanding this distinction is essential for building wealth, as it guides you to focus on acquiring assets rather than liabilities. Number 2. Make money work for you. The concept of making money work for you is a cornerstone of Kiyosaki's financial thinking. Most people engage in the rat race, trading time for money in conventional jobs. Kiyosaki proposes a different approach, investing in assets that generate passive income. Instead of being a slave to a job, you become the owner of your own income sources. Investing in assets like cash-flowing real estate, dividend stocks, and businesses can allow you to generate continuous income and provide you with the freedom to engage in activities you're passionate about. Number 3. Real financial education. Kiyosaki's criticism of the traditional education system focuses on the lack of real financial education. Schools often teach math and science, but don't provide students with essential money management skills. Kiyosaki urges people to actively seek financial education, whether through books, seminars, or professional advice. Understanding concepts like tax management, investment, and accounting allows you to make informed decisions and increase your chances of financial success. Number 4. Have an entrepreneurial mindset. The entrepreneurial mindset is a way of thinking that goes beyond simply starting a business. It involves the willingness to take initiative, creativity, and a readiness to take calculated risks. An entrepreneurial mindset allows you to see opportunities in any circumstance and find innovative solutions to problems. Kiyosaki argues that this mindset is crucial for financial success in a constantly changing world. By having the flexibility to adapt to new challenges and pursue new opportunities, you are better positioned to create income and thrive in any economic situation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Number 5. Take calculated risks. Kiyosaki challenges the fear of failure by promoting the idea of taking calculated risks. Often, the fear of making mistakes paralyzes people and prevents them from seizing opportunities. However, Kiyosaki argues that failure can be a powerful teacher. By taking informed risks, even if it involves facing the possibility of failure, you can gain valuable experience and acquire a deeper understanding of how business and investments work. This knowledge gives you a competitive edge and can be the key to finding lucrative opportunities. Number 6. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is one of the most powerful ways to build long-term wealth. This not only refers to formal education, but also to the development of practical skills and personal improvement. As you learn and develop valuable skills, you become more capable in the job market and in the business world. Additionally, investing in your physical and mental health allows you to maintain a clear focus and energy to tackle financial challenges. Number 7. Seek opportunities. Seeking financial opportunities involves staying attuned to market trends, changing needs, and untapped market niches. This skill allows you to anticipate and capitalize on future demands. Keep an eye out for new ideas and consider how your skills and assets can meet emerging needs. This foresight ability gives you the advantage of being one step ahead in the financial game. Number 8. Break free from debt. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of reducing and eliminating unproductive debt. Often, debt is used to finance liabilities that don't generate income. Kiyosaki suggests focusing on using debt strategically to acquire assets that increase your net worth. For example, obtaining a loan to purchase a rental property can be a way to use debt to acquire an asset that generates long-term income. Number 9. Think long-term. Kiyosaki advocates for thinking long-term rather than seeking instant gratification. Financial decisions driven by the desire for immediate rewards often undermine long-term goals. Sacrificing certain short-term pleasures, like buying luxury items, can lead to much greater rewards in the future. Maintaining a long-term perspective allows you to make more informed and strategic decisions for your financial future. Number 10. Question conventional beliefs. Kiyosaki encourages readers to question conventional beliefs about money and wealth. This includes questioning preconceived ideas about the security of a stable job and the need for formal education. By questioning these ingrained beliefs, you become more open to new perspectives and approaches. This can lead you to discover opportunities that might have gone unnoticed if you clung to conventional beliefs. Thank you for watching. See you next time and follow me for more videos about business, investments, and finance.